Hi.
Welcome to Rogers.
I think I might have been overcharged data this month,
Probably went over your data limit.
but I work from home, so I don't have my data on.
It says, oh look, you went over your data limit.
I never have my data on. I'd like a refund.
Call the billing department. Next.
There is no one else here.
Next.
You're starting to make me huffy, and you won't like me when I'm huffy.
Well, in that case, next.
Don't make me say the words!
Can I speak to the manager?
Sorry, I have to call the billing.
Manager! Now!
Gary, the cash! Welcome to Rogers.
You overcharged me.
You probably went over on your data.
My data was off. I demand a refund.
You're going to have to speak to the billing department.
You will give me a refund.
I can't resist her. She's like the incredible carrot.
Refund!
There, you got your refund.
Yay! Thanks. Bye.
Have a nice day.
Oh, I did leave my data on. Fudge!